What's up everybody, welcome to Fast is Fun. Today we're going to be working on my 2017 Camaro SS. And we're going to be installing the American Authority front splitter. Now this is a budget-friendly front splitter. It comes in gloss black, already painted, and it costs about $180. One big thing to note about this front splitter versus others that are on the market, C7 carbon, ACS composites, you name it. Unlike those, this front splitter mounts flush with the top surface. And so what that's going to do is push the splitter down quite far. So you're going to lose ground clearance. You're also going to be losing function of these air dams, which this should take the place of the air dams in terms of performance. One thing to note as well is this is strictly a appearance mod splitter, if you want to call it that. More for street use. It mounts with 12 bolt holes, factory mounting hardware. It will just take it out of your bumper and replace it. And because of that, there is no extra support on the bottom. So you're relying on this lip here for all the support of the front splitter. So you're not going to get much downforce out of this. It's just going to flex. These are the tools you're going to need to install this. Main thing going to be is a 7mm socket, and then either a driver or an electric driver. And then what you're going to do is find your factory mounting bolts and take all of them out. I think there's around 10 or so, and then those will go underneath the splitter here. See if I can focus. And that'll effectively hold it up. Finally got the splitter on. It didn't take too long, maybe about 30 to 45 minutes if you're taking your time. You could go a lot faster. I wanted to do it right, and I got the bolts tight, just making sure everything else was tight while I was down there, and this is how it turned out. I apologize for the lighting right now. I'm going to try and get you a better video soon. I'm going to do a review of this car here shortly. Now, one thing to note, like I said earlier, because of the way this thing mounts, it sits super low. And on the edges, I measured about 4 inches. So, if you have a driveway like mine, or can't see it, I live in a neighborhood, get that concrete edge. We're gonna find out if I can even get out. So that's 4 inches here. About midway up, we're looking at about 5 inches. In the middle, it's about 6 inches. So not much ground clearance. Like I said earlier, it does move quite a bit. It's not the most rigid thing in the world. I don't know if you can see that, probably not. But for the money, the paint quality is fantastic. For a free gloss black paint job, you're not going to find that anywhere else for this kind of money. I believe this was a company out of Texas, so props to them for making such an affordable, good product. You do have the winglets here. Let's see if I can get the light. Kind of follows the lines of the car. But be warned, it is very low. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that informative. If you want to buy this splitter, it's going to be the link down below. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, so this is just kind of my review and install video on this. This is one of my first few videos. Now this channel is going to be over car reviews, so the usual. We're going to do install videos. We're also going to try and get a hold of some team, like race car team owners and drivers, and hopefully I can bring you something special that a lot of these other channels can't do. And then also, I'm an engineer, so hopefully you can bring some science behind how all these cars work. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, just like and subscribe, guys. Have a good day.